Okay, here I'm going to show you how to make a fabric mask like this. Many nursing staff and healthcare workers are having to reuse masks, and so it's kind of similar to this, minus the little nose bridge in here. If you wanted to, you could probably put pipe cleaner or a bread tie in here, and that way it would form on your nose. But for now, I'm just kind of making them simple. So you're going to need two 9-inch wide, 6 inches this way, and then you're going to need two 7-inch pieces of elastic, and that's it. So here we go. You're going to leave an opening here at the bottom so you can turn it around. 1/4-inch seam when you start. So you want to make sure you're just using a 1/4-inch seam, and you back stitch in the beginning. When you get to the corner, you're going to place your elastic at a diagonal. You're going to want it like this, okay? Make sure when you put it here on the other corner that you don't have it twisted, and the same at a diagonal. Same thing on the other side. You want it at a diagonal. You're going to birth it through that hole. Once you birth it through the hole, you're going to take it over to the ironing board, and you're going to iron it nice and flat. And then you're going to iron it in a fold, the center fold. So you're going to take and birth it through that hole. There are tutorials out there where you can add a filter, and in that way, but I'm not real sure how these are being used. I think that they're being used over these masks, but I'm not real familiar. So then you would iron it flat, and I've got one here ready to go. So you're gonna add your pleats. So once you've got that center fold, you kind of just do a 1/4-inch fold over, and you're gonna pin. Make sure that the pleats are going the same way. You're gonna do one more pleat on the top. And again, you do one side, you do to the other. So same thing on the bottom. Okay. So all right, now that you've got them all pleated, you're gonna start sewing here all the way around, and you're gonna do that twice. So there you have it. Just trim off these ends. There's your mask. The pleats allow for it to be worn. I will demonstrate how. Like this. Oops. So if you were to put bread ties, you would put them here on the bridge, or you could do a pipe cleaner up here. But I imagine that could wear this. So that is how you make them. There are other ways, different variations that you can make them. But this allows I guess this is better than a bandana. So if you have questions, you can always email me. Good luck.